everyone, we are the Group 5 from BTLEDH B1A. Task 1, get our personal goal in alignment with ZPP SUVGMO.
Hello everyone, I am Jemercy Gonzalez from BTLET HE 1A, and I'm gonna reflect into myself to the vision, mission, goals, and core values as a student of CPPSU. So, let's start. As a student of CPPSU, I am dedicated to understand the mission and vision of our Polytechnic University through participating collaboration in innovative and research pursuits. While prioritizing my academic, I will remain committed to community service, which indicates my concern for social responsibility and societal advancement. Through discipline and responsibility in learning and social interaction, I will strive to give my best in every attempt while ensuring that all my contributions align with the core values of love, God, and love of country. In addition to my own growth, this will prepare me in some ways of meaningful entry into the world community.
My name is Janine Rose Nibala from BTLED HE 1A. The vision and mission of our university inspired me to dream bigger and use my education to help others. By embracing innovation, collaboration, and excellence, I learned to adapt, create solutions, and work well with others. Guided by a love of God and country, social responsibility, and accountability, I aim to live with integrity and purpose. This value shaped me not only as a student, but as a person ready to serve my community and the world.
Good day everyone, I am Erica Ryan, student of BTLET, major in Home Economics, Section 1E. I live in Tumanday, Capisan, Zamboanga City. I also graduated at Capisan National High School. My province is in Zamboanga del Sur. I have 5 siblings. My mother is Eleanor M. Twayan, and she is an housewife, and my father is Ricardo C. Twayan. His occupation is a farmer. The mission to produce globally competent human capital encouraged me to develop myself to be a positive woman and to collaborate with other learners. My mission is to be a responsive student here in Zamboanga City, Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. Core values including the love of God and country, social responsibility, committed and dedication to the service, and accountability. I will be responsible to socialize, and I'll be committed that I'll be a good student and good role model to other students, and my dedication is to finish my study. 4 years from now, my goal is to finish my study here in Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University and pass the board exam to be a professional teacher.
Good day, everyone. I am Rayan Pandi, proud to be a student of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University or ZPPSU. The core values is they inspire me to become the best version of myself, not only as a student but as a future educator. Now, what does that mean for me and for all of us as a student? It means that living by our vision is about pushing ourselves beyond limits, studying harder and learning more, and preparing to compete with the best in the world. It means that our mission is about using what we're learning, not just for ourselves, but to help others to create ideas and to make a difference. It means that our goals call us to work together to be ready for challenges and to never settle for good enough. because excellence is our standard. And it means that our core values are the foundation of who we are. We put God first, we love our country, we take responsibility, we serve with dedication, and we hold ourselves accountable. As a future educator, these principles will be my guide. I will inspire my future students to dream big, to love learning, to serve others, and to live with integrity. So, as a student of ZPPSU and as aspiring educate it, I choose to live with these values at every single day, to learn, to lead, to inspire, because when we live by our vision, mission, goals, and core values, we're not just as a student, we're future leaders. We are world changers, and we are ZPPSU.
My name is Trinby Alcerino from Bitalet HE1A. As a student of this university, I find the vision of becoming a world-class polytechnic deeply inspiring. It pushes us to do our best in everything we do. Finally, the core value of love of God and culture, social responsibility, commitment, dedication to the service, and accountability provide a strong moral compass for our actions. They remind us to be responsible citizens to serve others. Overall, I am proud to be a student of this university, and I am committed to contributing to its vision, mission, goals, and core values. I believe that by working together, we can make a positive impact in this world.